So today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is conditional statement. In this video we will discuss if statement, if else statement, elif statement and nested if statement. This is the part 1. Part 2 we will do it tomorrow. So first of all, what is a program? A program is a set of statements executed in a sequence to perform any operation or any task. A program consists of a set of statements. The control and the flow of a program in any programming language can be classified into 3 categories. First is sequence, second is selection or decision, third is iteration or looping. Now we will discuss it one by one. So first is sequential. Sequential statements in the program are executed in a sequence order or in a linear fashion, one after another. Second is selection or conditional statements. When the program uses a condition to decide which set of statements to be executed between alternate set of statements, that is called conditional statements. For example, if statement. Third is iterative or looping. When a certain set of statements need to be executed multiple times in a loop. So the loop is executed again and again until the condition is satisfied. What is if statement? When condition is true. जब condition true होगी, then the statements associated with if statement will execute. Now we are applying a condition. If a is greater than b, a greater than b. अगर a जो है b से बड़ा है, then we will print a is greater than b. Okay. Take another example. A is equal to 5. So we have applied the condition. हमने इस condition दी है. If a is equal to 5. जब a जो है 5 के equal हो जाएगा, then we will print a is equal to 5. Next is if else statement. When the condition is true, then the code associated with if statement will execute. Otherwise, if the condition is false, then the another set of statements will be executed. The syntax for if else statement is if expression statement else another set of statements will be executed. For example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. So we have applied the condition if a is greater than b. Then we will print a is greater, else b is greater. अगर a greater नहीं होगा तो कौन सा greater होगा? That is b. So b will be greater. Second example is a is equal to 5. So we have applied the condition a is equal to 5. We are checking the condition whether the number is equal to 5. So if the number is equal to 5, then we will print a is equal to 5, else a is not equal to 5. Next is elif statement. Elif statement is also known as else if statement. It allows you to check multiple expressions and then a series of statements will be executed based on the condition. For example, if a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. So we have applied the condition if b is greater than a. Then we will print b is greater than a. Elif. Okay, we will use elif. We will write elif. B is greater than c. B is greater than c. Next is nested if statement. What does nested if statement means? If we have if statement inside another if statement. जब हम if statement को यूज़ करेंगे inside if statement, ठीक है, जब हमारे पास बहुत सारी statements होंगी and we have to apply the condition, we will apply the condition and based on that the statements they are executed. There are different ways of writing if statements. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box.